Barbecue season? It's all year round if you've got the right smoker. Whether you're chasing brisket that melts with a fork or wings with just the right snap, a smoker can make or break your backyard game. After over 200 hours of cooking, testing, tweaking, and yes, eating, I've narrowed it down to 5 smokers that actually deliver. Different fuel types, different features, but all of them are worth your attention in 2025. Let's get into it. 2. If you're after easy temperature control but still want that classic barbecue flavor, the Pit Boss 3 Series Gas Vertical Smoker is seriously underrated. This thing is roomy, with 4 cooking racks that handled ribs, wings, and a pork shoulder all at once in our tests. The dual burner system is clever, one for smoke, one to maintain heat, kind of like an oven, but with way more attitude. Once we locked in the right temp, it held steady for hours. The chicken wings? Crispy skin, juicy inside. The ribs? Tender, not mushy, with just the right kiss of smoke. It does take a minute to get used to the controls, especially if it's your first gas smoker, but once you do, it's smooth sailing. Perfect for someone who wants that real smoker result with less babysitting. Pro tip, use cherry wood chips in this thing. You'll thank me later. For anyone who wants a more plug-and-play approach, the Masterbuilt 40-inch digital electric smoker is about as user-friendly as it gets. Digital controls, reliable heat, solid build, and best of all, 0 learning curve. It's the kind of smoker you can set up in under 30 minutes and get results on your first try. It held temp like a champ during our long rib tests and didn't leak smoke from the seams. We did have to refill the wood chip tray once or twice, but that's expected. The smoke flavor it delivers is surprisingly clean, not overpowering, not acrid, and the chicken came out moist with a lightly crisped skin. It is big and bulky though, and that 3-foot cord means you'll need to be strategic with placement. But for pure convenience and consistency, this one's a winner. The Konnected Joe is what happens when you take a classic Kamado grill and give it a smart brain. Thick ceramic body, tight seal, and heat retention that's just unreal. But now with Bluetooth controls and a digital fan system that holds temps automatically. We tested everything from low and slow brisket to high-temp chicken, and it nailed every cook. You still get the traditional Kamado flavor and texture, but you don't need to sit there adjusting vents for 12 hours. And when I say it holds temperature, I mean it. We lost maybe 10 degrees when opening the lid, and it recovered in minutes. The only drawback? Adding more charcoal mid-cook is a pain. You've got to pull grates out, which drops the temp temporarily. But if you plan your fuel well, you'll rarely need to do that. This is definitely a premium pick, but if you want authentic charcoal flavor with modern control, this is the one to beat. If you want full-featured performance and don't mind spending a little more, the Traeger Woodridge Pro is a beast in the best way possible. With 970 square inches of cooking space and a 24-pound hopper, this thing can handle a party and do it hands-free. The companion app is excellent, the temp probes are accurate, and everything from brisket to ribs came out competition level. It lost barely 10 degrees when we opened the lid, and the recovery was lightning fast. The smoke ring? Gorgeous. The bark? Chef's kiss. It's expensive, yeah, but it's basically a pitmaster in a box. The only real concern is the single-wall construction. We didn't have issues during testing, but long-term durability might be something to watch. Still, if you want premium results with the least effort, this is the move. Let's be honest, this is the smoker I keep coming back to. The Masterbuilt AutoIgnite 545 blends traditional charcoal flavor with just the right amount of modern tech. Wi-Fi control, a 7-pound hopper, built-in fan for temp management. Basically, it's a smart charcoal smoker that doesn't babysit you. We smoked chicken, ribs, and even tried some reverse-seared steaks. The results? Juicy, flavorful, perfectly cooked, and we never had to mess with temps mid-cook. Yes, some of the removable parts needed soaking during cleanup, but that's the trade-off for using real charcoal. At around $300, you're getting a ton of performance without breaking the bank. If you want something that feels hands-on, gives you that deep smoke flavor, but doesn't need constant attention, this is the one. Whether you're a backyard pit boss or just starting to explore real barbecue, the right smoker makes all the difference. And in 2025, you've got more great options than ever. Charcoal, gas, electric, pellet, Kamado. It's all about how you want to cook. So, which one's going in your backyard? Drop a comment, let me know what you're cooking up, and if this helped you out, give it a like and subscribe for more gear guides just like this. Until next time, cook slow, eat proud, stay smoky.